and it's called Winners Aren't Losers. It's for children. May I read it to you?
Yes, I like it.
All right, Winners Aren't Losers by Donald J. Trump. Winners aren't losers, they're winners, like me. A loser's a loser. Which one will you be? Winners do deals and winners get rich, while sad little losers just sit there and bitch.
Could be a good seller.
My daughter loves it.
Good.
The dog is a loser, and frankly, I pity it. This dog did bad deals. This dog is an idiot. And poor Mr. Bear, he must feel like a loser, valeting that 2006 PT Cruiser. This lobster's a loser. Throw him in the pot. I like a lobster who doesn't get caught. Those losers are failures who get nothing done. Just do what I do and you'll be number one. Now, here are some frogs I do not like at all. We must kick these frogs out and then build a wall. Oh, the places you'll go on your yacht, on your plane, with your suits from Milan and your wives from Ukraine. Oh, the buildings you'll build, oh, the wealth you'll amass, oh, the people around you all kissing your ass. There are two kinds of people. Which one will you be? A loser like them? Would you like to finish? Or a winner?
Like me.
Donald Trump, everybody.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the star of our show, direct from the bar,
PB.
What's going on out there, peeps? All right, we got some great news coming from the Iraqi Stock Exchange. And look, I get it. There's people out there that get all pissy when I don't kiss their ass and talk about things that they like. It happens, okay? But you got to remember, I'm the one that told everybody about gold and silver, and look how many of you made out like bandits. I'm the one that told everybody that you should think about investing in the Iraqi Stock Exchange. Now look at it. It has a 46% jump in value. Yes, you're welcome. But continue to listen to those people who say, I'm not the one that knows what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and get into this. Before we get started, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I certainly do appreciate it. Look at this, central bank. We have convenient foreign reserves capable of defending the exchange rate. And I know a lot of people don't know what that means. Look, when you have foreign reserves capable of defending your exchange rate, this means that you can help control when it goes up and when it goes down in value by using your own foreign reserves to control that exchange rate. And they're saying they have enough to protect it. That's outstanding. So let's say for some reason, if the exchange rate starts to shoot up too fast and Iraq gets concerned about it, well, then they flood the market with Iraqi dinars. Think supply and demand. If there's a ton of them, then the demand isn't there and the value will go down or maintain. If the exchange rate gets too low, then what you do is restrict the amount of Iraqi dinar that's in circulation, causing the demand to take place and the value to go up is what they do. The governor of the central bank, Al-Alaq, announced on Sunday that Iraq is witnessing today the lowest inflation rates throughout history. And while pointing out that it has comfortable foreign reserves capable of defending the exchange rate, he stressed the creation of a sound environment for investment after the great success in monetary policy. And they have done a great job of that. But again, we got elections coming up. And, we got to be a little bit concerned about who the hell gets into office after all this hard work has been accomplished. I know people think that al-Sudani is the bad guy, but that's not true. Let me tell you why. Al-Sudani used to be a protege of Maliki of the coordinated framework. But since al-Sudani has become the prime minister, you see Maliki trying to oust al-Sudani from office on more than one occasion, including recently trying to help get him impeached because he's not exactly lining up with what it is that the coordinated framework wants. That's how you know he's doing a proper job for the people of Iraq. So the governor of the central bank, Al-Alaq, said in a speech during the Iraqi Investment Forum, the current stage in Iraq is characterized by stability, reform, openness to an investment, pointing out that The central bank is one of the conditions for achieving this stability through its monetary and financial policy and control inflation, supporting and stimulating various economic initiatives, and taking into account the requirements of reality and enabling the private sector to practice its work in a suitable environment. He said that achieving monetary and financial stability came as a result of multiple factors, most notably the daily policies pursued by the central bank in the face of developments and challenges, and the good management of financial reserves, which represents a fundamental pillar for achieving stability, in addition to the management of the banking sector, which contributes to enhancing this path. He pointed out that one of the most prominent indicators of the success of monetary policy and the creation of sound environment for investment by controlling inflation rates, explaining that general price stability is an important base for the work of the private sector and investors, while turbulent environments in price levels and inflation hinder real growth. He pointed out that the central bank gives this file a top priority through careful follow-up to ensure the general stability of prices, stressing that Iraq is witnessing today the lowest inflation rates in its history, which reflects the success of monetary policies in controlling and managing the movement of cash, in addition to the existence of comfortable foreign reserves, capable of defending the exchange rate and achieving a great balance between supply and demand for foreign currencies. This is outstanding. Let's get to the second half of this great news, shall we? Well, now look at here. Iraq Stock Exchange sees a 46% jump in trading value. See, what I was talking about is probably more better of an investment for you to be in an Iraqi stock exchange than it was to focus too much on the Iraqi Dinar. That still remains to be seen, but we can rejoice in the fact that the exchange sees a 46% jump in the trading value. The Iraqi Stock Exchange announced today, Monday, September 29th, a significant surge in trading value last week, even as overall share volume dropped. The total financial value of trades shares exceeded 6.665 billion Iraqi dinars, marking a 46% increase compared to the previous week. According to the report by the Iraqi Security Committee, a total of 4,512 deals were executed, involving 65 joint stock companies, while the total volume of shares traded decreased by 11% to 4.752 billion shares. The substantial increase in financial value suggests the trading of high-valued stocks. The ISX 60 price index recorded a slight closing decline of 0.05% this week at 963.79 points. The report highlights a key indicator of market confidence. Foreign investors were net buying during the week. The purchase of 168 million shares valued at 380 million dinars, while selling 69 million shares valued at 159 million dinars. This net buying position is a strong signal of external confidence in the Iraqi market. The ISX continues to list 104 Iraqi joint stock companies across various vital sectors. So there you have it. This is looking really good. This is great for Iraq. There's a lot of confidence in the Iraqi economy. So much so that you're seeing people invest in Iraqi stock. Anyways, that's it for now. I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to say. A 46% increase is looking really good. I'll catch you later. I'm out.